Welcome to this morning meditation. Allow your eyes to close, take a deep breath in and out. And as you settle into this day, imagine the first light of dawn slowly beginning to rise. Feel it gently touching your body. Soft and steady, inviting you to embrace this new day. This light touches your skin and warms you from within, filling you with a sense of peace and calm. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. And welcoming this light into your body, penetrating through the skin. Feeling that sense of calmness within you. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. And now bring to mind 3 things you're grateful for in your body. Perhaps it's the strength of your legs. The warmth of your hands. Or your kind smile. Feeling thankful for your body supporting you today. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, opening your eyes, knowing this gratitude will carry your day forward and brighten up this day.